Jai Hind and welcome back to India Today's continuing coverage on Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose's 125th birth anniversary. The Prime Minister at this point of time is at the National Library in Kolkata. He's also meeting artists who've put together paintings on the life of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose and how Netaji influenced lives of people across our country. This is Prime Minister Narendra Modi paying his respects, his tributes to Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, one of India's greatest sons. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was very inspired by Swami Vivekanand. At the Victoria Memorial, the Prime Minister looking at various paintings that artists have put together. Way ahead of his times, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Women have been accepted in combat in the Indian Army now, in the Corps of Military Police, or as fighter pilots in the Indian Air Force now. But Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose had done this in the 1940s. In 1943, you had the Rani Lakshmibai Regiment, an all-women regiment of the Azad Hind Fauj of the Indian National Army. Captain Lakshmi Sehgal was one of the officers of the Azad Hind Fauj of the Rani Lakshmibai Regiment. And the Prime Minister is looking at those images. Let's for a moment dip in and try and listen in. I want to cut across to India Today's Tanushree Pandey. Tanushree, you've looked at these images that show us various facets of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose's life. Bring us more details, Tanushree.
Absolutely, Gaurav. In fact, as you rightly said, that what, the Indian Army started doing of late, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose has been doing that since forever. And in fact, he was the one who, made an all-women regiment in his team, in his army, which was named after Rani Jhansi Bai. And there are in the National Library where Prime Minister Narendra Modi just entered with his cavalcade. He is now looking at the paintings which features the works related to done by Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, the artifacts, the very rare pictures of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose meeting the all-women regiment of his. And he was one person who not just had an unwavering love for the country, and but he also was a person who broke stereotypes, who never believed in any kind of taboos, and he was someone who believed in equality. And that is something, Gaurav, which we can tell by looking at the paintings which we saw inside the National Library of India, where the Prime Minister is right now looking at the paintings which basically features, which shows the Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, his meetings with his soldiers at Azad in Azad Hind Fauj, and the artists who have made these paintings will be felicitated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi today as a part of an event of Parakram Divas. Now, after that, he is also to deliver a valedictory speech in an international conference which will be held inside the National Library. And the conference will be on Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose and how he inspired, the entire country, and how he is one of the reasons why the country saw independence. So it's a very big day for the country, not just for the country, but especially for the city of Kolkata and for the state of West Bengal. Here, people, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose is a big inspiration, is one of the biggest idols, of this state, and not just this state, but for the entire country. But today, these kind of events taking place in the center, in the heart of Kolkata, is a big deal for the citizens of Kolkata as well. Prime Minister coming here, Gaurav, we were just a short while back, we were witnessing the kind of crowd outside the National Library. They had to be actually taken, the security here present outside the National Library actually had to request the crowd to move back due to security reasons. So yes, and there was a lot of chanting of Jai Shri Ram and Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So definitely this is really beneficial for Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the BJP government as well, because this kind of recognition and love given to Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose on his 120 125th birth anniversary is something the people of Kolkata, the people of West Bengal really wanted. And right now PM is doing exactly that. Prime Minister is doing all he can to make sure that the next generation, the entire country, the youngsters, recognize what Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose stood for and what kind of a leader he was. And he's right now inside the National Library. He's looking at the paintings which features. He's looking at the tableau which features the work of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. He'll come out in